What's up, fam, and welcome to this episode of Rex's Photo Booth Reviews and Tutorials. I'm reporting from the PBX show floor, and right now I've been told I gotta go to the 360 drone booth, Sketchbots and Mosaics, and talk to Al. He's gonna tell us what he has going on, what new innovations he's created, and we're gonna hear from him in just 1 second. But you guys know the drill. Before we get into it, I need you guys to go down below, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, I'm gonna bring in the man himself. What is up, Al? Thank you for the time. We are at Picture Mosaics, Sketchbot, and 360 drone booth. For those of you who haven't met Al, this is Al. He is the founder, co-founder, innovator of all these products right here. Tell us a little bit of how you got started.
Yeah, for sure. So almost 25 years ago, I had a 1 megapixel digital camera, wanted to figure out how could I use all these photos in a creative way, and Picture Mosaics was born.
Are you talking 2000?
This is 1999, yeah. So it's been a while. So figuring out how to get all those photos off your hard drive is something fun and exciting. So developing the software, getting it all set up and deploying it. And so fast forward to now, you have these huge mosaic activations.
So Picture Mosaics been around for 25 years?
Yeah, for 25 years.
Are you serious?
That's crazy, isn't it?
Wow.
I know. Do I look that old?
For those who don't know, this is an example of Picture Mosaics. So it's actually a mosaic, right? This is Saturn that we have.
Yep.
But if you come in really close, it is made up of individual pictures of people who have attended your event. So you could do this at corporate, you could do this at a wedding. You can make a mosaic that incorporates all your guests, right? 25 years of development, and this is what we got. This is absolutely gorgeous. And tell us how you went from Picture Mosaics to Sketchbots and then the drone 360 and what else you have going on.
Right, so it's always been about how do you take photos and videos, how do you elevate them? What do you do with them? I mean, taking photos is fun, but how do you use them? How do you display them? So after moving through all the different interpretations of a mosaics, online mosaics, and I mean, there's a whole status stuff we do with those, but Sketchbots was the next big innovation. How can we get robotics, AI, and art all combined into one?
Yes, robotics is huge right now.
I mean, the buzzwords are robotics and AI. So Sketchbots is really hitting the nerve of the industry. It draws your sketch in about under 60 seconds. We have some new modes where it actually puts a full character body on your sketch, which is one of the new features. And
nice. Are we going to see that today?
We're going to see it.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Nice. That's exciting.
It's exciting.
So back in the day, I would go to an event. They would have these sketch artists do it by hand. They would draw my face and then put my body like into a fishbowl aquarium or something. But now it's called done AI. There's really something to be said about that experience to get that in under 60 seconds from the time the person takes the photo to when the robotic arm sketches the photo and then makes the print so that they can take it home.
Yeah, I mean, if you have an event, throughput is really big, right?
Yes.
So if one robot can do 60 photos, 60 sketches in an hour, you have 3 of them, that's 180 an hour. That's pretty good throughput. And you can always add more robots if you need it.
I think that would be like a great activation for like Comic-Con, where there's thousands of people. Yeah. One arm is just not going to cut it.
No.
I think they have something like 50,000 in attendance over 4 days. Let's go take a look. I'll follow you.
All right.
This is going to be really cool. Before we do it, I want to show you what's different. We had the caricatures before, but it was space only. Now look, there's little bodies on them. So you could be like a basketball player, a little runner, a little ballerina, whatever. Show us how it's done. Talk us through it, Al.
Yep, so you step in, it's really easy. iPad app makes it pretty simple. You fill yourself in the silhouette.
Yeah, the silhouette's important.
It is. You want to fill that face in. Nice clean shot. Hit begin.
Oh, that's a picture.
And then 3, 2, 1. And then now here's the magic. You get to choose your theme.
How do you choose themes? So let's do
That's fine. Continue.
Okay.
So I'm gonna choose ice skating.
Ice skating right there. Okay. The ice.
We'll just pass it right through. There we go. We're going to be drawing right on this. After about 4 or 5 seconds, you're going to start drawing.
Oh, look, they could,
Yeah, and then you can color them in also. This is fun. That, you adults and kids love to color in. But let's see the magic here.
and how long does this take?
It's about 50 to 60 seconds.
Complete?
The complete, yeah. And so it's the fastest robot in the West here.
Wow. So we're gonna go ahead and watch that while you explain the algorithm.
Yeah, so we had our artists draw 6,000 sketches. It's training every year. We update it with better and more better.
Paid somebody to draw.
Yeah, no, we have our employees are artists. We have 4 artists in-house that are also graphic designers. And they do an amazing job with keeping our library of sketches up to date.
Within like the first 20 seconds, they already have the facial structure drawn already.
Yeah, it's going well. So we're going to be probably onto the body in about another 10 seconds or so. And there we cool. And then here we go.
And how do they get the paper with their names on it? That's awesome.
Yeah, it's fun. That's a legit order. That guy, it's a basketball player. You can put your own logos on there.
How about the logos on the the print card?
Yeah, any Vista Print or anybody can print these out for you.
And these are 4x6?
4x6, standard size. Oh, and it's done.
That's it?
Done. Yeah, and then you just pull it straight on out, and there you go.
All right, let's see if it looks like it, guys.
Beautiful, Joe.
Ice skater. That's really quick.
Yeah.
So for large conventions, planners could do this.
Yeah, it's a blast. It's a lot of fun, and you can tailor the bodies for that convention.
And then she's gonna color that in
Pressure on here.
while we're chatting. So
yeah, so say your convention is a sports convention, you would choose all the sports characters for people to select, or so you can really tailor the experience for that convention or client.
very, very nice.
Yeah, so fun stuff.
She's gonna color that in. Look at that. So this really keeps the customer engaged.
Yeah,
Because after the print or the sketch comes out,
you can color it in if you want.
you
Not required, but some people love to color, kids and adults, and it's such a level of personalization, right? I mean, it's cool to get your sketch, but now you're allowing the user to influence the art, which is always cool.
And so last year you didn't have the caricatures, but now you do.
Yeah, we also have this live stream, right? So as sketches come in, you're going to see them animate onto a screen. You can make a 70-inch screen if you want, and there's a nice live feed of what's happening on the table.
Got it. So this is like a playback screen, so you can see everybody
It
else.
brings people in. If you have a bigger screen, we don't have a big screen here today.
No, but that just gives us the idea. That's really cool. You didn't have that last year.
No, that's a new thing. Yep,
So
that's all part of it.
So the live view is very cool. The playback is very cool. The caricature is very cool. Now, where can they find you?
Yep, so there's 3 websites, sketchbot.com, 360dronebooth.com, and of course, picturemosaics.com.
That is so awesome. Thank you so much for the tour. We appreciate you, and we look forward to the future development.